Hey guys, thanks for watching this video in advance. I wasn't actually planning on uploading this one because I had not really prepared for that type of a video. So there's some blocking on it so you don't have to see all of my rolls and all that stuff. But it is informative, and I originally made it really just for my husband in case he needed to change my appliance at any point in the future. So I hope you get something out of it. I hope it's helpful. I probably will redo it in the future at some point. I don't know, but at least there's something out there that you can see how I go through this process. If you have any questions or comments, definitely feel free to leave them down below. Have a great day. See you in the next video.